What's up, everybody? It's Maddie. I look so bad. I can't even believe I'm filming. Like, I want to die right now. My hair is stuck in my industrial piercing, and I feel like I'm super limited on time. But I just got something in the mail from Loot Crate, and it says Lootwear. Okay, I'm really sorry. Honestly, it sounds like my dog is dying, and basically what happens is he doesn't chew his food, he just inhales it, so it's like, and he's a pug, so he snorts, but I honest to God thought for a second that he was dying. I think he's good though, because he has a smile on his face. So anyways, I basically got this package from Lootwear, and I recently got an Archer shirt, which you can see in my last video, which is a giveaway, which ends March 16th, so you can go check it out. I ordered that Archer shirt though on a clearance from Loot Crate, and I didn't think that I subscribed to anything, but there's a good chance that I subscribed to their women's t-shirt or like the sock Loot Crate. Loot Crate normally does like pop culture, cartoons, comics, t-shirt subscriptions, socks. They have like boxes with what's the word I'm looking for? I guess just merchandise, figurines, statues, toys, things like that. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me today? Nobody's gonna subscribe to me when I'm a nut job, and I honestly, like, I can't even take my hair right now. So being that I have no idea what's actually inside this package, it's gonna be a surprise for everybody. So I think this is the shirt. I feel like that's the one that I would be most likely to subscribe to. Lootwear, share the wear. Hashtag share the wear. Sorry. Ooh, okay. So I definitely for sure think I got the Loot for Her, which is the women's t-shirt, and it is The Princess Bride. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen that movie. Actually, I think I watched it like a year ago, so it hasn't been like since childhood I haven't seen it. I definitely think it's been though a good year or so, which this makes me want to watch that. So it's just a purple, and it's a long sleeve shirt, which I appreciate for some reason. As You Wish, and it's got the mask and the sword. I'll hold it like this and not show my face because who wants to see my face right now? So guys, that is really it. There's just one shirt that you get. I think I paid like $10. Oh, I don't know how much I paid. $5.99, $10.99. I will put that information in the description box below. Thank you for looking at me. I say that every time, and I know I look a hot mess. Check out my last video. It is a giveaway. I'm giving away a $10 Ulta gift card and a Wreck-It journal. And I ask for you guys to do something a little bit fun in order to participate, so please go and check that video out. You can follow me on my other social media channels. I have Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And as always, that information is in the description box below. Subscribe, like, love you all. I appreciate you all. And I hope that you all have a wonderful day.